How are you doing, my YouTube fam? Hope you're good. I'm good too. It's let me stand like this. It's Didi Vlogs. I almost said Komboka DS. I was used to that name, but right now my name is Didi Vlogs. For more clarity, I did change my name. An advice from Matinde Africa. It was difficult to pronounce to some of the subscribers and some of the people who wanna subscribe. So I'll be going with the name Didi Vlogs. You are very welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's an early morning. The sun has just risen. I'm in the farm. I'm at her farm, her small kitchen farm. I wanna pluck some vegetables and cook for her fundis, the people who are building on the modern washrooms. So I'm at her farm. There is these greens. I don't know the name of the vegetables in English, but you're gonna search it and know the name of the vegetable in English. You're very welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. For the new subscribers, you're very welcomed, and for the usual subscribers, welcome to my channel. So let me start by showing you. This is her farm. Yeah, this is her farm. She has small onions over there. She has vegetables over here. And something nice, you remember me giving you a recipe of how to cook spider wasp? They have them here. Her farm goes that way. Yeah. So I'll be starting from here onwards. Thought so. I was adjusting the camera. Sorry. Okay. Hope you can see me. You always pluck them like this, 3 leaves. These vegetables normally do well during the drought. If you like traveling, you've traveled from Kisii to here, you will find out that most of the times these vegetables, they are being planted along the roadside. They usually do well in this is clay or sand soil. Here there is lots of sun. They do well on sand soil. That's what I'd say. It's a calm morning. Unlike Kisii, where you wake up early in the morning, the wind will almost carry you. The sun is not risen up till how can I say, till it's almost 10. The sun has not yet risen up, but here the sun rises up so hard. I woke up at around 6 a.m. and let me tell you something funny. The sun was already up. It was coming up. vegetables are well plucked early in the morning, not in the evening. But these ones, because you are cooking for lunch, they are well plucked right now early in the morning before the sun rises too high for you to be unable to pluck. Because even when the sun is too high, you get tired easily. That's what I say. Matinde's construction is going on. She's really doing a good work. I see why now most of you people call her boss lady. She's really a hardworking lady, I'd say. A very good role model to me. A good mentor. Hii nashika. Nilinunua ndio inishikiage. That's Mama Matinde. We call her Mama. Hope it will be stable. Here they've grown, they're so wide. I'll have to fetch. I'm gonna wash the veggies because they were full of soil. I couldn't use the well water because when dealing with veggies, you have to use extra clean water. Not that it's dirty, it's not. It's full of sand. You see, the water is that dirty. The charcoal is ready. You boil it first. So I'm gonna boil it first. You boil it then fry. The reason why I didn't use well water is because at times when you pull the water you get that it has sand. That's why I didn't use the well water. The water now is clean. Now I'm putting veggies on the jiko. You have to make sure that they are not clamped together. Like while picking it from here, you do like this. Then put it there. If they are clamped together, some of them won't be cooked. Then add some water to boil. They boil with some water, just like that. Then let me look for a cover. Cover, let it boil for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we'll try it. Yeah. Hope your day is going on well, because mine too is going on well. So far the stay here is good. I've been here since Saturday evening. Today it's like the third day that I'm here. The stay have been good. They're so welcoming people. They host me so well. Hope your day is going on well too. Comment down below and tell me how your day is. Just send even a hi, and don't watch without subscribing. Subscribe while watching. And check the level of the channel, because we don't want it to be off. Oh no. There are remaining like 10 minutes to be cooked. After 10 minutes, we're gonna fry it. Wash my hands. Meanwhile, I'm doing the beans. I'm still drying them. Those ones there, I'm drying them, while those over there, they remained a little of them yesterday because of the rains. I couldn't finish them, so I'll just be done with them. I've hid them inside the gunia with the stick I've done. So when I'll be done with them, I'll cook lunch too. It's like a multitasking. Which one comes? The one that comes first, cooking, then I'll be done. It's time to fry. The veggies are cooked, so we'll chop our onions. Then the tomatoes. I usually don't chop the tomatoes in any shape because I say when they get to heat, when they are being heated up, they just lose shape. So I usually don't consider any shape for the tomatoes. But some people usually consider shapes. Others cut them in round form, others in square. But with me, I'll say mine they are semicircle. At the end, I cut them into shapes that aren't that straight, I'll say so. I'll have to put them here because I'm removing the veggies from this sufuria. These are the veggies. You cut them into smaller pieces. They are cooked. Now I'll be cutting. Yo! Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. But si vile tuliongea itakuwa usharudi. Sawa. Yeah. I'll be chopping these. You chop them into more pieces. Some people do chop them before they have cooked, but with me, I always chop them after they have cooked. Yeah. I was checking if it's recording. There is a certain time, something funny. There is this certain time I had placed my phone at a strategic point. I was cutting the onions and the tomatoes. Do you know something funny that happened? I got that I had not clicked record and it hadn't recorded the whole video. Like, it was a waste. But no, I'm waiting for the charcoal to... I'm waiting for the charcoal. This is where I was throwing my dirt, and I did squeeze some soup in here. I'm waiting for the charcoal to heat up. Then I'll put my sufuria on it. I'm with the onions. I hope I'm visible enough. I've put cooking oil in here. It's heating up. Let me do the onions. Ooh. The steam did burn me here. It didn't, I think it's just a small burn. The rate at which I feel the pain, so high. So I'm frying the onions. Do you know something funny? Onions here and tomatoes, they are kind of cheaper. They buy one tomato at 10 shillings. In Kisii, one tomato goes for 20 shillings. You remember a time back, I bought one for 15 shillings. The following day I went to buy, I got the it had risen to 20 shillings. But here they only do at 10 shillings. I was even surprised. The economy here is currently relatively lower than ours. Ours, it's rising at a very high rate. I let the onions be golden brown. We'll serve these veggies with ugali. I'm cooking for the masons who are constructing Matinde's modern toilet. The sun is still on. If it were back at home, I'll keep on repeating back at home, because at home the sun would be like high. Here the sun is lower. It's like at home the sun could have gone down and the clouds could have taken over the sun and it could be raining. I think even right now if I call and ask, it's raining. But at home, something funny at home here, sorry, I'm contradicting myself. Here right now it's not raining. It's like contrarily something different. I'll add the tomatoes. And salt to taste. Then I'll cover the tomatoes. I cover it with this for the tomatoes to cook. Let's check and see if they've cooked. Usually I cover for them to cook first. It took like a minute for the tomatoes to cook. Some people blend. I'm adding this spice. The couriers love their veggies added this spice. I think it's grinded groundnuts. Yeah, these are grinded groundnuts. They love them being added to their food. They say it makes it sweeter. And it adds appetite. You can imagine, I never knew. Can someone comment down below? Tell me, do you usually add this? And what does it help in? It's like peanut. It's like local peanut. You just put one sachet. I remember I once went to someone and they had the peanut here and frozen sugar. You see the grinded sugar? You grind the sugar cane, then you boil it. When you boil it, it becomes thick. It makes a thicker something. We have a visitor. Hi, Myra. It becomes like a thick liquid. like a wax. Do you see how when they melt the granules of wax, how they become thick? Yes. That's how it becomes thick. Then you freeze it into any shape that you like. Once you've frozen into any shape that you like, you eat later, or you can put it in porridge, put it in anything. You just put it in anything that you want. So the person had that. Then I add the chopped veggies. Then you like grind them into, they become more softer when you do this. Utangush is Myra is holding the chair and my phone is on top of the chair. I don't want it to fall. Let's go. Then we just mix. You hit on them and then mix. Hi baby, hi baby. She's feeling so good when you sing to her. For those who are watching without subscribing, please subscribe. Because I gotta hit the target. The watch hour target and the subscribing target. I gotta do that. This month we have to hit 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Let's test to feel it. Yeah, the salt ratio is good.
What did you do?
Hi. I found yesterday I found that Myra loves pictures so much. We were taking a picture and she was smiling. She likes pictures so much. Hello baby. Hello. Look at her. Hello. Sasa mama. Girls love pictures. Twende. I don't wanna leave her alone while I go bring some milk. The veggies, you add some milk. Hi baby. Hi mama. Here is milk. We're gonna add some milk. When you add milk, it even gets more sweeter. Just some, not plenty. And then we mix. Try this recipe with these veggies. They are soft and sweet. Oh. Then we cover. The veggies are ready. I wanna hear the comments from the Masons, what they're thinking about. Hey baby, hi mama, what they'll be thinking about. I'm gonna sub. We have 4 Masons. Just like that. They're coming?
Sasa peleka huko kamera kuja tubebe tuambeleke huko sasa.
Sijui tumwage chini sio? Kuangalia kamera. Take hao watu wakuone. Oh, hello guys. We have been served by
Didi.
Didi. Thank you so much, Didi.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Pray. God, thank you for the meal. Bless it before we take in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Served by Didi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I want you to taste and tell me how the veggies taste.
Okay. So this is ugali. We call it ugali. What's this? The greens?
Sijui inaitwaje. I don't know the name, the English name.
In Swahili?
Mchicha.
Mchicha.
Hii ni makobe. Inaitwa managu.
Oh,
Hii si
managu.
It's not managu.
Yeah. And some greens here.
Yeah.
How do you
let me test it?
Yeah.
You know, I have to do this more than 2.
More than 2 times.
Yeah. Yeah, you're very nice. Very nice.
Oh Lord.
Kudos.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna test the picture. I just did the research on the veggies, wanting to know its English name, and something funny, it's the simplest name that you'd never imagine. Its name is cowpea greens. They originally give black-eyed beans. That's what they've said. And they are nutrition in proteins, vitamins, and vitamin C, K, and E. There are nutritions in that. in Swahili they are being called kunde. That's the name. So the English name cowpea beans. What? Wewe utasahau watu wajue hiyo jina wewe. He's calling me a name that I don't want people to know. We've nicknamed each other that name. That's Jonte Freshi talking. Yeah, that's the meaning of, that's the veggies that I was cooking. Kunde in Swahili, in English is cowpea beans. They give when you plant. I think as we've never planted them till they give us the beans, we usually take the leaves and pluck them out. That's it. But those who let them be mature, flower, everything, they give black-eyed beans. Yeah, most of us call them black beans, I think. So that will be the end of the video. They have certified that the veggies are sweet. Make sure you subscribe. Don't watch till the end without subscribing. Let me stand like this. Don't watch till the end without subscribing. Subscribe. Bye.